Who recovered Calcutta after Fort William surrendered? A. Mir Qasim. B. Sirajuddaula. C. Robert Clive. D. Alivardi Khan. The correct answer is C. Robert Clive. What is one benefit of a museum? A. Teaching mathematics. B. Growing plants. C. Providing entertainment. D. Displaying historical artifacts. The correct answer is D. Displaying historical artifacts. What term describes the intense dislike or prejudice towards Jewish people? A. Nationalism. B. Socialism. C. Anti-Semitism. D. Communism. The correct answer is C. Anti-Semitism. Which religious movement spread across many parts of the world? A. Buddhism. B. Neither Jainism nor Buddhism. C. Both Jainism and Buddhism. D. Jainism. The correct answer is A. Buddhism. What is another name for the Central or High Middle Ages? A. Saracenic period. B. High Middle Ages. C. Later Middle Ages. D. Early Middle Ages. The correct answer is B. High Middle Ages. When was the Warsaw Pact concluded? A. 1955. B. 14th May 1955. Circa 1945. D. December 1954. The correct answer is B. 14th May 1955. Who is considered the father of history? A. Herodotus. B. Thucydides. C. Aristotle. D. Plato. The correct answer is A. Herodotus. Which Pandyan ruler extended his rule up to Nellore in Andhra? A. Kulsekara Pandyan. B. Koneranmai Kondan. C. Jatvarman Sundar Pandyan. D. Marvarman Sundara Pandyan. The correct answer is C. Jatvarman Sundar Pandyan. What is the Yangtze River also known as? A. Yellow River. B. River of Joy. C. Dragon River. D. Sorrow of China. The correct answer is D. Sorrow of China. Which temple is mentioned as being under Parantaka around 916? A. Tanjavur Temple. B. Virupaksha Temple. C. Krishneshwara Temple. D. Kachi Kailasanath Temple. The correct answer is B. Virupaksha Temple. Who was known for his military campaigns and administrative reforms? A. Tungabhadra. B. Bahman Shah. C. Muhammad III. D. Gava. The correct answer is D. Gava. Which types of settlements in the Chola period had their own assemblies? A. Ur, Nadu, and Brahmadeya. B. Brahmadeya, Nagaram, and Ur. C. Ur, Nagaram, and Masulipattinam. D. Nadu, Nagaram, and Malacca. The correct answer is B. Brahmadeya, Nagaram, and Ur. What was the Abbasid Caliph's initial level of authority? A. Subordinate to other rulers. B. Authority similar to any other emperor. C. Limited to local areas. D. Ceremonial only. The correct answer is B. Authority similar to any other emperor. Which assemblies worked through various committees in the Chola period? A. Only Ur and Nagaram. B. Ur, Sabha, Nagaram and Nadu. C. Only Kanigdan. D. Only Sabha and Nadu. The correct answer is B. Ur, Sabha, Nagaram and Nadu. Who established 23 girls' schools in Calcutta and surrounding villages in 1821? A. Lord William Bentinck. B. Mary Ann Cook. C. Macaulay. D. John Eliot Drinkwater Bethune. The correct answer is B. Mary Ann Cook. Based on the text, which ruler was the predecessor of Chandragupta I in the chronological order? A. Chandragupta II. B. Shrigupta. C. Samudragupta. D. Vikramaditya. The correct answer is B. Shrigupta. Which territories were annexed by Dalhousie in 1849 using the doctrine of lapse policy? A. Satara and Baghat. B. Jaipur and Satara. C. Jaipur and Sambalpur. D. Baghat and Sambalpur. The correct answer is C. Jaipur and Sambalpur. Which group opened Baptist institutions, utilizing their freedom? A. Hindu scholars. B. Local merchants. C. Christian missionaries. D. Muslim clergy. The correct answer is C. Christian missionaries. What is the primary language of most records in the Tamil Nadu archives? A. Portuguese. B. English. C. French. D. Tamil. The correct answer is B. English. Which major historical period coincided with the last days of the Roman Republic and the life of Julius Caesar? A. Kushan Empire. B. Classical period. C. Kalabhra period. D. Sangam period. The correct answer is B. Classical period. Where did Harsha shift his capital to? A. Magad. B. Thaneswar. C. Prayag. D. Kannauj. The correct answer is D. Kannauj. Which of the following was mentioned as a major port of Tamizhgam? A. Chennai. B. Kanchipuram. C. Musiri. D. Madurai. The correct answer is C. Musiri. What led to the transformation of socio-economic and political life in the Gangetic Plains? A. Reduced trade. B. Migration of people. C. Decline of existing states. D. Emergence of many territorial states. The correct answer is D. Emergence of many territorial states. The clauses mentioned in the text relate to the causes, course, and effects of which major conflict? A. The Napoleonic Wars. B. World War I. C. The Cold War. D. The Korean War. The correct answer is B. World War I. What was the primary reason for peasants and artisans leaving India as indentured laborers? A. To explore new trade routes. B. To spread Indian culture abroad. C. To seek better educational opportunities. D. To escape starvation deaths due to famine. The correct answer is D. To escape starvation deaths due to famine. Which of the following is listed as a major site of caves with Tamil Brahmi inscriptions? A. Thirumurutrupdai. B. Madurakanchi. C. Pattinappalai. D. Mullai Pattu. The correct answer is A. Thirumurutrupdai. What was a Pallakkarar the holder of? A. A battle strategy. B. A kingdom. C. A fort. D. A territory or a palayam. The correct answer is D. A territory or a palayam. Who changed the land revenue settlement from annual to quinquennial? A. Lord William Bentinck. B. Warren Hastings. C. Lord Ripon. D. Robert Clive. The correct answer is B. Warren Hastings. What began to emerge when the classical era was at its height? A. The Eastern Roman Empire. B. The Hellenic world. C. The spread of Christianity. D. A chain of empires from Rome to Peshawar. The correct answer is D. A chain of empires from Rome to Peshawar. Which dynasty was the first of non-Kshatriya dynasties to rule in northern India? A. Nanda. B. Gupta. C. Satvahan. D. Mauryan. The correct answer is D. Mauryan. How did you score?